Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai i10. This particular one is a 1.2 active, 75 PS, 5-door hatchback with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The car was registered 2011 on a 61 plate and is currently done just over 13,500 miles. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066, and I hope you enjoy the video.